Hey guys, welcome to another video. Look at this trade today. Clean shot. Look at this, no drawdown, tapped and go. I did $1,000 in this trade here and was so quickly. As you can see, was just one candle to TP, just one candle. So as you know, we had news today, okay? At my time was this candle here, the 15, okay? New York time, let me see, I think is the 10 a.m. exactly. 10 a.m. Price closed above my POI and tapped and go. So I will break down my trade on Nasdaq today. Was super clean. So I will delete my zones. Let me see, remove them. Okay, so first of all, I mark my 4-hour zones as always. So price was here, okay, before the session. So I look to the left and I see my SNR zones on 4-hour. And as you can see here, price created a bearish and a bullish momentum, so is a support, okay? I mark always from the body to the wick. This is my first zone. And for support, I have here, looking to the left, I have here a sell and a buy candle. So this is for me a support. And as you can see, price reacted from this and this here. And if you look to the left, you see these zones price consolidate a lot. Look at this, consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. You know, you don't need to go too far on the left, just focus on recent price action. But these zones here are pure magnets, and I marked this one too in case price just continue flying. And as you can see, bullish, bearish, body to wick. I check left and you see many rejections. Is a consolidation zone too, okay? So after that, it's super clean, super simple, just that. I drop to the 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I never trade the first candle of the session, this candle here, okay? So, let me see here. So as you can see, I never trade the first candle, okay? So my zone for sales was, the most recent support was this one, and this one is valid. Why? Because it's the last support price created before the Indies Open candle, okay, and is below the moving average, the 15 moving average, okay. So was valid for sell, but price opened, fake out, and so took liquidity below the zone and just flew. So during the session, price was always inside the 4-hour zone, as you can see, and I never buy against this zone. So the only buy is above the 4-hour. So I know when price break the 4-hour zone, I need to have a zone for a retest, okay? So the only time I look like many to the left on the 5 minutes is when price, when I need a zone when price break the 4-hour zone, okay? Is the only time. The rest of the time I just focus on recent price action, because 5 minutes SNR zones are weak. So if I go to the left so much, like so far, will be even more weak. So yeah, the only time I go as far as I find a zone is when price break above the 4-hour. And if I go left, I have this here. I marked from this body to these bodies here, okay? And I have my zone here, is above the 4-hour, and is above the moving average, and this inside the session, and price closed above the zone, okay? So as you can see here, I I have a break and retest entry is my entry model, and and you can see just one candle to hit my TP. Crazy trade. Was just like less than 5 minutes I hit my TP. So my break even was let me see, was here. Let me put the line here. So price reach here, I move SL to break even, and next boom to my TP. So fast. So hope you enjoyed this video. Is a quick trade recap from today. This is a fresh mount. Let's see how will be the mount. My last mount on January was finished with 80%. I shared on my socials, so as you can see the journal there. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video and learn more about this strategy. It's so simple.